Hi Keisha, I also worked a little bit with Grok and it got me some pretty good images, almost. So that's the first one. Another one, I think this looks fantastic. I'd like it to be closer cropped, so kind of like that. That'd be good, something like that. That looks real to me. This looks not real. I don't like this. This looks real. It's a different color. That looks good. That looks great. That looks fantastic. So those are looking pretty good. Um, that's what I did today, and this is the prompt that I ended up using. So here's the entire prompt. This is the recipe, right? So you can just replace that. But you can try this, and so this is what happens. So the first step is, okay, here's the prompt. You can see that I put it in there. And then these are the prompts that it used to make those images with what is it again? Oh shit! What's the one? Flux Pro. Yeah, here it is. So Flux 2 Pro, right? And it did a pretty good job, but it wasn't feeding the images back in. So what it needs to do is it needs to it needs to do more for continuity. So you can try this, and you can match. So you can do this. So basically, get this entire prompt, put a recipe in here, replace that with your recipe, and then have Grok, or you can even try another AI, give you the prompts for each image. So again, these are the prompts. Okay. Recipe steps. Okay, so these are all the prompts, right? So step 1 is an image of the dish. Step 2 is also the same. It's the same dish, slightly different lighting. That's all. So we need to feed the image from this, if it's good, back to the AI to make this shot. Grok did not do that. It gave me 2 different shots, these 2. So it did not feed it back in. So this is a better arrangement, but I think this food looks more real. So I would want, whatever, if this is the first shot that it comes up with, I would feed that back in so that the second shot is based on this, right? So this one needs the photo from this one in order for it to be successful. Okay? So this, and then this, we will manually make this the last shot in the sequence, but we'll do that later, manually. It's better to do these up front. After that, shot 3 is the ingredients. And I do not like the results here. I think it just looks really artificial. I don't want it. It's got to be, and this is not directly looking down. I want it to be directly looking down. And I think these should be in a bowl, or I don't know. Maybe the cutting board is okay, but I don't want perspective. So that would need to be redone. And then we do the pot, pictures of the pot, the Dutch oven. All of these are shots 4 through N. N just means whatever the number it is, right? So this could be 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 different steps. So, and you can just feed all these into the image. But this one, we would need to use this one as a reference image for that one and for that one, okay? So that we get the right colors See how this one changed color and it's changed the oven as well. This one looks fantastic. So between that one and, whoops, this one and this one looks pretty good. That too, that looks great. Those three are really successful. Now, what I don't know is these are the shots, but then I think what we need to do is, if you're doing this manually, you need to feed. So this prompt is to create the storyboard. This is the storyboard. This right here. All that's the storyboard. That's the first prompt. After that, I think you need to use this plus, let's see. Yeah, I think we need to use this as a standard prompt and then include the actual shot. I think this plus the shot is what we need to manually give to the image AI. And then if we have a reference image, we give that too. Okay, I hope this makes sense, but you can try that. I mean, I kind of like some of the results. So try it, take it further. So the next thing, the next thing to do is generate a storyboard. This is the storyboard. Generate that with this large prompt, with this whole thing, with a different recipe. And then after that, for the individual shots, this is the generalized, the look and feel, the stylistic criteria. And then this would actually be, these would be the shots. Okay? So see how far you can get with that. Thanks.